Hi, this is Mike Slattery with TekVOX. I'm going to be demonstrating a new type of control system that uses both PC and room control all on the same touch panel. The concept here is that we can do room operation by simple touchscreen controls that overlay the window that's used for your PC. So the overlay graphics gives you the capability to do a source selection, any functionality that you need for the room. On the PC side, we have the ability to bring up any type of application of an icon by double-clicking on an icon, or control the Zoom application. This all is done with a little mini PC running Windows IoT that we call TekTouchView, and has the ability to bring in HDMI for your graphics input seen on the touch screen, and it also has a dual NIC for room operation to another PC. The second PC has the ability to run all the Windows applications. So this could be just a PC, your own PC, or we can supply a PC for that. The application PC is also running a program that we do all our mouse functions with. A laptop here is used to demonstrate our share view graphics function into Zoom. So if you look at our Zoom screen, this is typical standard Zoom operation, but you also have your control operations. Then you have in the Zoom, you can select up, start a new meeting. Brings up my camera, and I can join my audio. And you're just, at this point, we're running a standard conference meeting. So if I want to do share, this is demonstrating how we can actually do our, what we call share view. So I select share, and you'll see the share view application sitting here running, and you select it, and then say share, and now its application's being displayed across the network, just like a standard codec would do over a graphics channel. You still have your streaming your camera functionality just as a normal standard Zoom meeting. So this is quite a different concept in doing control screens. Instead of having a lot of times people put in two touch panels, one to control Zoom and one to do your room control. Here we can do everything all on one touch screen. Thanks for watching.